Good morning, guys. We are here at Epcot. It is still the flower and garden going on. Look how beautiful the flowers look and Encanto characters. We are here at Epcot today to go pick up our Figment magnet. So let's go get that magnet and then we'll see what else we can do. We're written on Guardians, so let's go. So we're about to go on Boo's favorite ride. What is your favorite ride?
Yeah.
What is it? What is your favorite ride? What is your favorite ride?
E.T.
E.T.
Yeah. You know what it is. It's the Guardians ride.
It took a lot to get that out of them, folks. Alright, so Epcot has opened up a new pass holder lounge over by the land, or in the land. So we're going to head over that way now. We just got off of Tron, or not Tron, that's my ride. We just got off of Guardians, which is a pretty sweet ride.
Doggone right it is.
But I still love my Tron. But we're going to head on over there and check out the pass holder lounge. We'll take you guys with us. See what they have to offer. Boo spotted this. It's a hidden Mickey in the middle of the sidewalk. I don't know how many other people have noticed it. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and go in here to the butterfly. Alright, so now we're going to go inside and check out the butterflies on our way there. Ooh, hello, being attacked by butterflies as soon as you come in. And I love how they have the bushes labeled so you know what plant is what. Panama rose. Don't touch the butterflies or their wings. That sign's hard to see. You need to have a big sign up somewhere. But a butterfly is allowed to land on you. You just can't touch it. I don't know what kind of plant this is. There's no really smell to it. It looks like parsley. Hydrangeas right here. How beautiful these are. I don't know if they're hydrangeas. I don't know if they got a smell to them or not. No, not really. No smell. That plant was pickery. Oh, this is the milkweed here. You can see a caterpillar's been eating on that. If we look hard, we might even find a caterpillar or egg on him. We got a butterfly. Aren't they pretty? And now they have tropical milkweed, and that's what this is here. This is what normally grows here, where the other milkweed is what's up north. Oh, look at this pretty waterfall. Mexican flame vine. That's new. It's got pretty orange flowers on them. The impatiens are very pretty in here. They're so big and full. Mexican honeysuckle cigar plant. Some weird plants. I see why it gets the name cigar plants. It looks like a cigar. Isn't that cute? I like that. So we just checked out the butterfly house, and now let's get Boo and we're gonna head over to the land so we can go check out the new pass holder lounge. So we're downstairs inside of Epcot, or inside of the land, and this is where the pass holder lounge is at here. And you can go through and they're giving you snacks once you show that you're a pass holder. Once you verify that you're a pass holder, they'll give you this a little bag of nuts, some M&Ms, and a sticker. They have water available, and then there's a little locker over here where you can put your phone in there and charge them up. There's cords already in there, so you just put it in there and charge it. Boo's gonna give these nuts a try and see how they are.
I can open them. Yeah, I got it. I wanted to do it slow, that way they don't.
Woo. The nuts got too hot, huh?
No, that walking around got me hot. Normally I sit down more, but today I haven't been doing a lot of sitting. You've been having me running. Right.
Are they sweet?
You definitely need to get some water. Yeah, it's good. Be careful.
Smell like coffee.
They're like those nuts we used to get back in March back in the day. They're different. Remember you got on the kick.
The coffee ones.
That. And they have a QR code. You guys want to scan that. And get some sweet crunchy nuts. I don't understand the writing that's on it. Yeah, I don't know what that. None of this is in English.
None of it is.
Well, Zard, I guess it says Zard nuts, toffee peanuts.
The coffee peanuts.
But they're good though.
Sure.
So, give you some Zard.
Okay, this is if you didn't know, but if you come over here by the Garden Grill and you look to the left, if you're looking at the Garden Grill, look to the left, you're going to see the seating area here, and you got bathrooms and an elevator, because the other elevator at the other side is always so backed up. So don't forget there's a second elevator that you can take here, but don't tell anybody. That's our little secret. Alright, there's the door that you come in at, and there's the first set of elevators right here that are always busy and being used. But this elevator fits 2 people. The other elevator only fits 1. So if you got a bunch of people with you, like this group here, they were all able to fit on this elevator. The other one, they would have been a little bit squished. Isn't that beautiful? Listen to that sound. This is your relaxing moment here. You just sit and relax and enjoy the sound until you hear people outside yelling or kids screaming. But Boo went over here to sit down already. Let's see where he's at. There he is. He's hiding over here. Those lizards are running around all crazy down there.
And there's going hopping in.
This must be their water park. Lizards are probably like, yes, they got a water park.
I like that area right there, how that water's coming down.
Yeah, and it sounds so pretty.
Yeah, I'm a water guy. I love, not water guy, but waterfall guy, I guess I should say.
And you know what? And that's because why? Oh, we got married at a waterfall. I wanted a waterfall wedding. Nobody could hear the minister but us, but it was a waterfall wedding.
Yeah, no one could hear us, the minister, or hear what we were saying either.
No.
We was up there cracking each other up.
Yeah, right. Well, in 2 years when we go to do our 20th anniversary renewals, it'll be better.
There.
It'll be better.
We're going back there to Akron, Ohio, where the magic started. Why are you waving at me? Why? What? Why?
We're going to stay right here in Florida.
Why?
We're going to do it here at Disney.
No.
Why not?
It's beautiful right here.
I know, that's why we can do it here.
But we can do it in Akron.
Nobody will hear us. I want people to hear
I
us.
don't want to be there. Well, you know, you guys were in town and you should have let us know. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we say that to you too. Ooh. Sorry.
Okay.
Did that cut deep?
Ow.
All right, Boo, you're funny.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, the butterflies are flying up in there having a good... How many of these butterflies have escaped over from the...
A lot, but I'm pretty sure there's a lot of butterflies here anyways.
Yeah.
Because of all the flowers and
Yeah.
everything. There's a guy over there vaping. I caught him vaping.
Uh-oh. It's not allowed, sir.
Oh, yep, I see it come out of your nose. I got you on film.
Listen at you. And look, what is up with these flowers?
These are air plants.
Air plants?
Yep. They don't need to be in a soil.
Well, I was going to say this one's been watered, but that's probably because whenever it rains.
Yeah.
It looks like a little cup of water.
Can you lift up one of the leaves? Look underneath it.
This one?
Yeah, any one of the leaves. Well, one of the bottom ones. No, bottom ones, not the top ones. Look underneath there now. Can you see dirt in there?
No. It's real sticky, like...
Yeah, they got some soil down there, but leaves are getting all beat up. But these are considered air plants.
Are these always here?
No.
In fact, I'm not even sure if this whole structure is here. Because I thought before you could sit.
You could sit here. Yeah, this was not here last time we were over in this area.
Sweet niblet says the giblets.
Alright guys, so that was our day at Epcot. We showed you the members, pass holder member lounge. Got some goodies from there. Ate my pretzel. Okay, yeah, I'm hooked on the pretzels. What can I say? But they went up to $7.75.
Huh?
The pretzels. The pretzels went up to $7.75.
But they gave you extra cheese to take home with you.
I threw that extra cheese away.
Well, that's
It's not good unless it's with the pretzel. I wouldn't eat that cheese without the pretzels.
What about like those pretzel sticks that we got at home or something like that? Stick those pretzel sticks in the microwave for a few seconds.
All that part out.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will. Don't want you guys to see all my bloopers. So now we are done here, and we're going to go head home. I think maybe we should go home and get in the pool. What do you think? Pool day? I think so. All right, guys. It is 86 degrees at 2:16 p.m. So it is time to go home. As always, thank you guys for being here, and we love you all. Bye.